Hello investors! Here's our technically speaking trade ideas and commentaries for the week.
Early last week, the PSEi exhibited the same trend we have observed in the week prior, wherein it would register a high and end the day lower. The index managed to reach as high as 6,696.25, 3.75 points off our target of 6,700, but profit takers dominated the succeeding trading sessions.
The PSEi has been in a corrective mode for 4 consecutive days, and this should be fine as long as the 6,400 level will not be breached.
For context, 6,400 level is the confluence of the following. 1. Support of the uptrend channel drawn from October 2023 low. 2.
200-day, simple moving average.
And 3.
38.2% Fibonacci retracement.
For this week's trade ideas, we're featuring
FGEN Corporation. FGEN's stock price declined by 25% after reaching a peak of 22.00 in June 2023. During its tumble, the stock also formed a falling wedge pattern, a bullish reversal formation. FGEN was able to break above the resistance of the said pattern and is currently consolidating within a small range, closing at 17.72 last Friday.
If the stock breaks out of its small pause range, an entry may be set at 18.05. Note that there is another resistance that FGEN may encounter, its 200-day SMA. If the breakout is strong, we may expect that the stock may be able to surpass this level.
Measuring the opening of the wedge, our derived target price is at 21.70. For risk management, set your stop level below the support of its current consolidation at 17.40.
Like these ideas? Take action and log into your BDO Securities account today. If you're a newer investor or trader, be sure to also check out our educational content on our website and our social media channels.